Hi, I'm Helen Sheehy and I'm the Business Development Manager for the Aggregates and Minerals sector, and today I'm here with Frank from Ludeca.
So my name is Frank Seidenthal. I'm the president of the company. Ludeca is located in Miami, Florida, and we are Sensoteq's partner in the United States.
Hi, my name is W. Ripto. I work at Sensoteq. I am the North American Regional Sales Manager.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Alex Nino. I work for Ludeca Inc. We're the U.S. partners for Sensoteq, distributing their product across the United States and the Caribbean.
So I'm here this week because we're talking about product development. We're also talking about new applications, new markets that we want to go after and that we're trying to target. To see the growth that has taken place at Sensoteq is really exciting. You're in a brand new building, 3-story facility, which is great. I mean, it's outstanding the way the facility looks.
I think it's been great. Last time I was here was 2022, and it's just been an amazing growth to see the fact that this year we come in, Sensoteq has more personnel, more development, so it's great to see the growth worldwide from Sensoteq, so we know we partner the right way with the right company.
The way we are supported, of course, I speak to Adir, who's the CEO, on a regular basis. We speak to Alan as well. Locally, we have W, who's located in Michigan, and so he's our primary support person.
Tell me a bit more about what the future is with Sensoteq and Ludeca.
You know, one of the reasons why we were so interested in Sensoteq is really your wireless sensor technology was robust, was easy to use, very flexible. We feel that the potential is limitless, really. I mean, there are any piece of rotating machinery, pump, motor, gearbox, generator. I mean, it really doesn't matter what type of rotating equipment or what industry you're talking about. There's a need for the Sensoteq wireless solution for them to keep their assets running.
Thank you very much, Frank. We're really excited to continue working with Ludeca, and we're really hopeful for the future that's ahead.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much for having me this week. I really appreciate it.